Bay leaves have been used in kitchens around the world for centuries, adding a rich aroma and subtle depth to soups, stews, curries, and sauces. While most people toss a few leaves into a simmering pot for flavor, these humble herbs have long been valued in traditional medicine for much more than their culinary appeal. Packed with beneficial plant compounds, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, bay leaves may offer a surprising variety of health benefits that make them worth a closer look. Although bay leaves are not a miracle cure, modern research has started to support many of the traditional claims surrounding this fragrant herb. From supporting heart health to improving digestion and helping the body fight oxidative stress, bay leaves contain natural compounds that may contribute to overall wellness when included as part of a balanced diet. Here are 10 game-changing health benefits of bay leaves that may convince you to appreciate them for more than just their flavor. Number 1. Powerful source of antioxidants. One of the biggest reasons bay leaves have gained attention is their impressive antioxidant content. They contain plant compounds such as polyphenols, flavonoids, and tannins that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage healthy cells, accelerate aging, and contribute to chronic diseases over time. By helping reduce oxidative stress, the antioxidants found in bay leaves may support healthier cells, stronger immunity, and better long-term health. Number 2. Supports healthy digestion. Bay leaves have traditionally been used to soothe digestive discomfort, and there may be good reason for that. Certain compounds in the leaves can help stimulate digestive enzymes, allowing the body to break down food more efficiently. Many people also find that meals seasoned with bay leaves feel lighter and easier to digest. They may help reduce bloating, gas, indigestion, and stomach discomfort while promoting smoother digestion after large meals. Number 3. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Research has suggested that compounds found in bay leaves may improve insulin function and help the body use glucose more effectively. Some studies have observed improvements in fasting blood sugar among people who regularly consumed bay leaf supplements, particularly those with type 2 diabetes. While bay leaves should never replace prescribed medications, they may serve as a helpful addition to a healthy eating plan designed to support stable blood sugar levels. Number 4. Promotes heart health. Keeping your heart healthy involves more than just exercise, and bay leaves may provide additional support. They contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, as well as antioxidants that protect blood vessels from oxidative damage. Some research also suggests that certain compounds in bay leaves may contribute to healthier cholesterol levels by reducing LDL cholesterol while supporting healthy circulation. Combined with a nutritious diet, these effects may contribute to better cardiovascular health over time. Number 5. Contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation has been linked to conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Bay leaves contain compounds like eugenol that possess natural anti-inflammatory properties. These substances may help calm excessive inflammation throughout the body, potentially easing joint discomfort and supporting overall wellness. Although they are not a substitute for medical treatment, regularly cooking with bay leaves may provide gentle anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 6. Supports a stronger immune system. Your immune system depends on proper nutrition to function at its best, and bay leaves provide several nutrients and plant compounds that contribute to immune health. Their antioxidant activity helps protect immune cells from damage, while vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin C support the body's natural defenses. Bay leaves also contain antimicrobial compounds that may help the body defend itself against certain harmful bacteria and fungi, making them a valuable addition during cold and flu season. Number 7. May help protect brain function. As we age, protecting brain health becomes increasingly important. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation have both been associated with cognitive decline, and the antioxidants found in bay leaves may help reduce these damaging processes. Some preliminary research suggests that certain compounds in bay leaves could support memory, learning, and overall brain function by protecting nerve cells from oxidative damage. While much more research is needed, these early findings are encouraging for those interested in long-term cognitive wellness. Number 8. May support healthy weight management. Bay leaves are not a weight loss shortcut, but they may complement a healthy lifestyle in several ways. By supporting efficient digestion and potentially helping regulate blood sugar levels, they may contribute to better appetite control and more stable energy throughout the day. Their rich flavor also allows cooks to reduce the need for excessive salt or high-calorie sauces while still creating satisfying meals. Small changes like these can make healthy eating more enjoyable and sustainable over time. Number 9. Contains natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Bay leaves contain essential oils and natural compounds that have demonstrated antibacterial and antifungal activity in laboratory studies. These compounds may help inhibit the growth of certain microorganisms, supporting the body's natural defenses. Although eating bay leaves is not a replacement for proper medical care or prescribed treatments, incorporating them into meals may provide another layer of support as part of an overall healthy diet. Number 10. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Despite their small size, bay leaves contain a variety of valuable nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, potassium, and copper. While the amounts consumed during cooking are relatively modest, these nutrients contribute to important functions throughout the body, including bone health, red blood cell production, nerve function, and energy metabolism. Every nutrient plays a role in maintaining good health, and bay leaves offer a simple way to add a little extra nutritional value to everyday meals. Adding bay leaves to your cooking is incredibly easy because they pair well with soups, rice dishes, curries, pasta sauces, beans, meats, vegetables, and slow-cooked meals. Their flavor develops gradually during cooking, releasing aromatic oils that enhance the overall taste without overpowering other ingredients. Remember to remove whole bay leaves before serving, as they remain tough even after cooking and can pose a choking hazard if swallowed whole. It is also important to keep expectations realistic because no single food can prevent disease or transform your health overnight. The greatest benefits of bay leaves come from using them consistently as part of a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and regular physical activity. People who are pregnant, taking medications, or managing chronic medical conditions should also speak with a healthcare professional before using concentrated bay leaf supplements. Bay leaves may seem like one of the most overlooked ingredients sitting quietly in your spice cabinet, but their nutritional profile and natural plant compounds make them far more impressive than many people realize. Whether you're looking to support digestion, protect your heart, strengthen your immune system, or simply add more antioxidant-rich foods to your meals, this aromatic herb offers a simple and flavorful way to support your overall health. The next time you're preparing your favorite homemade recipe, don't underestimate the power packed inside a single bay leaf, because sometimes the smallest ingredients can deliver the biggest benefits. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.